Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay matutunghayan natin ng isang ambush interview sa tatlong nagagandahang mga artista sa telebisyon ngayon. So sisimulan na po natin ang ating interview. So, dyan lang po kayo. Starting off with candidate number 1. Candidate number 1 is a former massacre victim and recently a fire victim. He believes in the saying that goes, an apple a day is 20 pesos. Candidate number 2 is a former drug pusher and now a famous drug user. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 2 believes in the saying that goes, she believes in the saying that goes, wala lang! Candidate number 3 is a woman from Sultan Kudarat. She is a former Payatas dam site killer, ano sa ba? And recently is a supermodel, but a famous prostitute. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 3 is named, grammar, is Saura Malibangco. So those are our finalists for New You, the model search. Okay, stop. Stop.